Imagine an object so vast, so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape its grip. We're talking about a black hole, but what if this cosmic giant started to hiccup? For the first time, astronomers have witnessed a supermassive black hole exhibiting erratic and mysterious behavior, an unexpected brightening that has stunned the scientific community. Located a staggering 800 million light-years away, this is no ordinary black hole. It's a supermassive behemoth, equivalent to 50 million of our own suns. Researchers affectionately dubbed its erratic outbursts hiccuping. Located a staggering 800 million light-years away, this is no ordinary black hole. It's a supermassive behemoth, equivalent to 50 million of our own suns. Researchers affectionately dubbed its erratic outbursts hiccuping. This massive structure unexpectedly and repeatedly brightened, revealing a completely novel type of black hole activity that had never been documented before. So, what's causing these cosmic fits? The leading theory suggests that a smaller, secondary black hole is the culprit. This intruder is believed to be periodically crashing through the larger black hole's surrounding disk of gas and dust. Each time it plows through the dense material, it sparks a tremendous burst of energy and light, the hiccup, before circling back for another pass. This groundbreaking observation challenges long-held theories about black hole environments, specifically the structure and stability of their accretion disks. It suggests that these disks might be far more complex than we thought, possibly housing smaller black holes in tight, disruptive orbits. This discovery was made possible through the combined efforts of global telescopes and cutting-edge space-based X-ray observatories. It doesn't just explain a cosmic anomaly, it opens brand new avenues for understanding the complex dynamics and intense interactions between black holes within galaxies. In short, the core message of this discovery is threefold. First, a supermassive black hole 800 million light-years away is unexpectedly and repeatedly brightening. Second, this hiccuping is likely caused by a smaller black hole disturbing the larger one's accretion disk. Third, this phenomenon proves that black hole accretion disks are more complex and dynamic than astronomers previously believed. If you love this cosmic ride, smash that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Nova Narratives for more mind-blowing space mysteries.